Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Caticorn Tarot. This is by Pamela Chen with artwork by Delphine Dion, published by US Game Systems, retailing for $24.95. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck my way. I am so excited about it because it looks so adorable. All right. So everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this deck will be linked down in the description box below should you want to check it out. Caticorns are modern mythical creatures who live deep in the forest of the unicorn realm, where they have built a beautiful community full of joy and magic. Working with the whimsical yet wise Caticorns can spark a cat-like curiosity in your life and lead you on mystical adventures. Ask the Caticorn guides your questions and they will reveal the teachings hidden in every card. Find your path of purpose and pleasure here in the enchanted Caticorn kingdom. Includes 78 card deck and 88 page guidebook with upright and reversed meanings. I can't. This is adorable. Alrighty. Nice packaging. We have a ribbon. Oh my gosh. Okay. So before we get into the deck, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. It's nice. Nice table of contents here. Oh my gosh. A tarot meowment, how to read tarot, furbulous spreads, and then it goes into the card meanings. Oh my gosh. So it talks more about what a Caticorn is, a little overview of tarot, how to read it, what questions to ask. And we have spreads here. So daily magical pull, the curious Caticorn, your Caticorn inner magic. And then it goes into the messages here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to unwrap this and then we'll flip through. I'll be right back. Okay. I haven't even looked at the deck yet. And this is the back and I already love it. This is just precious. Alrighty. US Game System cardstock, love it. Okay, so it's flexible, snaps back. It is right in that sweet spot of not too thick, not too thin, right in that middle ground. And I'll say that there's a slight gloss because you can see kind of the reflection there, but it is definitely not a high gloss. Alrighty, oh my God, the paw prints. We have a number and the title at the bottom here. No borders. This is adorable. Oh my God. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I just instantly fell in love. I'm so sorry. This is so cute, so gentle. These sweet little babies. Oh. Oh, they have wings. This reminds me a lot of the Crystal Unicorn Tarot, which I believe Pamela Chen also authored. I'll correct myself in the edits if I'm wrong. But same kind of pastel, gentle vibe. And I absolutely love that deck. So no wonder I'm just over the moon with this. Oh my God. Oh, that's cool. Definitely has all of the elements there for your intuitive hits. It's just so precious. Oh, look at those paws. It's a ball of yarn. All right, I'm sold. Okay, here's the minor arcana now with the wand suit. I love the element of fire playing on the cat's ears here too. The symbols are there. Everything that I want to see, I'm seeing. Oh God, it's precious. I know I keep saying it, I'm sorry, but how could you not fall in love with art like this? Like if your preteens are asking for tarot, wanting to get into tarot, this would be a great one for that. Like we'll go over the guidebook, but so far, super gentle. Oh, I like that they changed the carousel horse to a horse with a fin for cups. That is so cute. And if I ever rode a carousel and they had one of these, that was the one I was riding. And swords. Oh, that's cool. I love that they're holding it with their tail instead of their paw. What a cute little detail. Yeah. Oh, this is super gentle. Oh my gosh, look at their little glasses there. Little cat nap. On a surfboard? Oh, cute. And pentacles. Look at the little ladybug. This one has a paw though. Interesting. I love that each suit has the elements being represented. Oh, I love it. There's nothing that I can complain about. This is just the most adorable little deck. I'm speechless. Sorry. It's so cute. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, that is nice. Cute animals are like my kryptonite. Especially when they're portrayed in adorable little ways like this deck did. I have no issues with the shuffling. The card size is great. The quality of the cardstock is very nice. I like how it slits. This one wanted to come out. Okay, so we're going to read for Temperance. Just a reminder of what that looked like. The little beta baby. All right, Temperance. Looking at this card, you might think that Temperance Caticorn is trying to eat the beautiful rainbow fish, but really what she's doing is cleaning the tank with her magic. She has mastered the self-discipline of controlling her cravings for fish, and she has managed to exist in harmony with all creatures, big and small. Upright meowsages. Oh my God. You are wishing for... What you are wishing for now requires patience and trust in the divine timing of the universe. To call in your biggest dreams, the best actions for you to implement are paying attention to yourself and paying attention to what is going on around you. Don't rush and try to get everything finished at once. Rather, stay confident and calm. Put one paw in front of the other steadily and you will achieve your goals. Then we have a reversed meowsages. You may be feeling some extreme emotions right now and nothing seems to be flowing your way. Before you make any decisions, take some time to consciously focus and calm your mind and feelings. Meditate if you desire to go spend some time in nature to clear out what is causing this imbalance. This is absolutely adorable. No notes. I'm just completely taken aback by how adorable this is and how great the intuitive hits of this is. Like, you definitely have every little bit in the card that you need to like kind of jump off and understand what's going on. I love the addition of staying with the elements here in the scenery so that it really hammers home in your subconscious. I think it's phenomenal. It's just so sweet, so cute. Definitely, if you are a cat person or a fantasy person, check this deck out if it's calling to you. I definitely will be utilizing this a lot. I think this is going to be one of my new favorite decks that I pull out for a while. So get used to seeing it now. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this my way. I am absolutely over the moon with it. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think about this deck down in the comment section. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. And thank you for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.